So what do Pennsylvania drivers need to know about Pennsylvania's distracted driving law, also known as Paul Miller's Law? Hi, my name is Jennifer Abracht. I'm an attorney at Pernin Abracht LLC in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania. In June of 2025, the Pennsylvania legislature passed a new law called the Pennsylvania Distracted Driving Law, also known as Paul Miller's Law, after an individual who lost his life due to distracted driving. For the last year, drivers who are found to be holding a cell phone in the car while driving have only been given written warnings. But folks, in 2 months, on June 5th, 2026, anyone found to be holding a cell phone or a small electronic device like a tablet while they're driving will be fined $50. It'll be a summary offense, and you'll also be subject to court costs and fees and fines. So what is prohibited exactly? It is prohibited to be holding a cell phone or a tablet while you're driving, using any part of your body to be holding a cell phone or a tablet while you're driving, to be scrolling, to be reading texts or emails, or to be talking on the handheld cell phone. Please also note that this prohibition about using a handheld device while driving also applies even if you're sitting at a red light or sitting in traffic. The exception is if you're using hands-free Bluetooth device, or you just simply have to push one button on a screen to activate the telephone. If you are found to have violated this law, this is not going to result in points on your driver's license for a non-commercial driver. Also not going to be points for a commercial driver, but it will be reported on that commercial driver's record as a non-sanctioned violation. So what's the exception to this law? Of course, if you have to make an emergency phone call to the authorities, to the police or 911, that's an exception. Also note, if you cause a serious car accident resulting in death because of distracted driving, it is not just a summary offense. You'll be subject to more severe criminal ramifications and fees and fines. So given that we're only 2 months away from this being an actionable offense, please get yourself ready for that. Stop using your cell phone in the car except in a hands-free situation. If you do find yourself pulled over and fined because of this, please make sure to contact an attorney and get yourself some legal advice on the matter. And remember, there's rarely ever any situation or call or text that you need to address immediately while driving that's worth risking having a summary offense, being fined, and having to appear in court for violating Pennsylvania's distracted driving law. Be safe out there. Remember to like, comment any questions you have, and follow the firm on social media.